This tutorial will explain how to embed a YouTube video in Moodle activities and resources that use the Moodle Atto Editor, like a page, a book, an assignment, and a forum. Currently, you have three main options for embedding a video: using a video's embed link, using a video's URL in combination with a Poodle filter, and adding the video to your UJA library and inserting it through UJA. This video will focus on using an embed link. To embed a YouTube video using an embed link, you will need to get the link from the video, then add the embed link to your Moodle activity or resource with the Atto Editor. The process for getting the link will be the same regardless of where you want to embed the video in Moodle. First, open the video on YouTube. If you want to start the video at a certain time, navigate to that spot in the video and pause. Beneath the video, click Share. Choose the Embed option. Again, if you want to start the video at a certain time, check the box beneath the embed code that says Start at Timecode. Click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Alternatively, you can highlight the embed link and click Ctrl-C for Windows or Command-C for Mac, or right-click over the link and select Copy from the menu. After you have the embed link, you can embed the video in any Moodle activity or resource that uses the Atto Editor. Let's take a look at how to embed a video in a Moodle page. First, turn on editing. Then, go to the page's main Atto Editor. This will appear as a text box with various editing options. Click the Show Advanced Buttons button, shaped like an arrow pointing down, in the Atto Editor to display additional editing options. Then, click the HTML button. This will display your content in HTML format. Optional step: if you are unfamiliar with HTML format, type some placeholder text where you want to embed your video, such as "video here," before you click the HTML button, so you can easily find the correct spot in the upcoming steps. Find the spot in your contents code where you want to embed your video. If you did the optional step, find the placeholder text, then highlight it. You will want to highlight all of the code associated with the text, from the opening paragraph tag to the closing paragraph tag, as shown here. If you did not do the optional step, go to the beginning of the line you want to appear after your video. Then press Enter to start a new line above that one. Then paste the link. Click Ctrl-V for Windows, or Command-V for Mac, or right-click over the link and select Paste from the menu. Click the HTML button again to switch out of HTML mode. Your content will look normal again, and you will be able to see your video. Once you're done, don't forget to save your work. If you would like to share one or a few videos with students without them having to leave Moodle, or in the context of other text and information, you can embed the videos in a single page, like this. If you have a lot of content you want to gather in one place, and you would like to include videos in that content, you can use a single book to contain it all. Videos can be added in as many chapters as you would like the book to have. If you want to have students watch a video related to your assignment, you can embed the video in the assignment's description and keep the information all in one place. If you want to have students watch a video related to your forum, you can embed the video in the forum's description and keep the information all in one place. You can even embed a video in quiz questions. As you can see, there are many options for where you can embed videos to create a more engaging online course. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the e-learning and instructional support help desk. You can also view our help library, which contains numerous documents, videos, and other resources to assist faculty and staff in navigating the online applications available at OU.